Hello everyone, it's Patty. Happy Thursday, and today I'll be sharing with you a detailed flip through of my latest setup. And this is a setup using the September box from the Planner Society, and the planner I have used is a B60N from the May 2019 box from the Planner Society. Now clearly the theme didn't match, but I thought that the colors were very complementary. So it's like a soft kind of like earthy tones, but there's a lot of these like pinks and browns and a little bit of gray greens, and so I thought it would tie in beautiful with the colors of the September box. Now because it is a completely different kind of paper and the pattern, I wanted to tie in the theme of this month's box, and I thought it would be a great idea to start with using one of the journaling cards that comes in the kit. And all I did is I layered it on top of the acetate that comes in the kit, and then I've used this little 3D strips to lay it on this wood grain paper. And this is the paper I used. This is an old one. This is from actually an old Shop Villa Beautiful box, and I think it's from at least 2-3 years ago. But this was a perfect match. But if you have any other dark brown wood grain, it would work just the same. And then I have used little eyelets from Michael's, and then here there's a little bow from Hobby Lobby, and I just think it looks super cute. Now, mind you, it's not super practical in the sense that you're gonna have to be careful whenever you open it and close it. If you avoid the 3D strip under the journaling card, it will be easier because there will be less chances of the elastic getting caught. But if you don't mind being careful, I think it's a super cute look. Now let's open the planner up, and I love the inside of this planner. I just love the kind of creamy white with the soft pink bows, and on this side I'm just going to fill it up with little notes, so little stickers. And here in the meantime I've used one of the older plan clips from the Planner Society, and I have a little washi card, which is an older washi card from the Planner Society with the washi I used from to make my washi dashboard. And these are all from the Planner Society, aside from the bottom one, which is also from that same Shop Villa Beautiful box. And these two clear ones did not come in this box, but they were available earlier in the year in different kind of metal tones. Now, as always, I divided my planner in 3 sections. So one section is a meal planner, one section is just notes, and one section is my planning. And the first one that I always use is the one for planning because I want to have easy access. So first dashboard is actually the acetate, the gorgeous leopard print acetate. Almost like a deconstructed leopard print, I would say, and it has the soft gold here. And on the top here I put this little sticker, which is a wooden sticker from Target. You can find those, actually they were available, I'm not sure they're longer they're available now, but they were available in the dollar spot section. They come in a large kit with several stickers that I used throughout the setup. So I thought it would be really cute because it starts kind of like setting the theme. And then I have used the glitter edger with the leopard print because it ties in with the leopard print under it. And then here is the first, full dashboard. So I really love this. I love this deconstructed leopard print with the soft pink. I love that it has little black accents, and that's why I used the black edgers here on this one. I didn't want to go, tone on tone over here. I want to kind of to pop, but because I've tried to, first of all, I normally put my glitter edgers on top of the page, but it was too much black, and so I thought it was a little bit, too much contrast there. So what I did is I used a super sticky double-sided tape on the back of the page, and then I basically stuck the, as you can tell here, that because it's coming off, not good, but it will stay on. It's just that I guess it was a little, this is a Korean tape that I get on Amazon, and it's super strong and comes in different sizes. I use it in all my projects, but basically the glitter edger is adhered to the back of the page, and then it's doubled so that it doesn't get sticky on the other side. And then here, same concept as the front. The only difference that I used, instead of using the acetate, I have used the pink paper that matched the acetate in the front. So it's got this little kind of squares, irregular squares, and then the wood grain paper, instead of being the one from Shop Villa Beautiful, is this other one that I had in my stock. And this is from a very old kit. It's no longer available. It's from another company. And then here I used, oh no, the little bow is coming off. I gotta secure it more tightly. But this is another one of those little wooden stickers that came in that Target set, and it's just a little wreath, and I put the bow in the middle, and then I thought I would put the little little sticky 3D sticker of the bow from the Planner Society over here. Probably needs to be adhered. I'm probably gonna have to use a little more adhesive because the sticking to burlap is not easy, let me tell you. So this is the first one, and I love the vibe, I love everything. And this is my first insert, and this again is my favorite inserts are from Annieplansprintables. This is the format that I prefer to use, which is basically the daily, dated and timed, with 3 columns, and I have pre-filled it a little bit. I'm gonna go in and then kind of customize it, but I pre-filled it using the kit from the September box. I used both the one with the basically smaller boxes and the regular boxes, and then I have used this page marker from an older kit because I loved how the bow this is, I can't remember which box this is from, but this is super cute, and it came in different sizes, and it's got a little pearl on the top, super cute. So that will be my daily section basically. And on the back here, I just have the pocket, the sticker pocket that came in this box, another one of those 3D stickers from Planner Society, a little paper clips, some stickers, and here is one of the die cuts from this month's kit, and I just popped it on 3D dots. And then I always love to use these little stickers that come in most of the boxes, I would say, if not all. You get a little sheet with these, and I just love to prop them here because I don't know if you see it, without it, it just looks a little empty. So I always love to use those same little 3D strips, the kind of foam, basically sticky foam, double-sided, and I just love to have a little bit of a little phrase there, to create interest. And then this is the back of the acetate, and I've used another one of those wooden stickers from the same Target dollar spot little set. And then I have another one of the die cuts, which is super cute. It says fall, sweet fall. And then here is my burlap. Now my burlap, I like to use it in fall setups, although it's a little bit of a pain to work with, just because I like to create a nice fringe, but I never get it like super even. But this is a burlap I got from Hobby Lobby, and again, same thing with the journaling card. And in this one, instead of just using the journaling card, I wanted to use one of these 3 little words because it was a little empty. Also, I ran out of these cute bows, the burlap bows, which match perfectly. So I wanted to just put a regular little bow there, but it's the same concept as before. In the back here, I have one of the die cuts, super cute die cut with the make today count. And here's my washi dashboard, which I love. So there's a lot of patterns in here, but I think they're very complementary in colors, and so they don't fight too much with them, with each other. So because the burlap kind of ties in the more earthy tones of the Shop Villa Beautiful washi, and I think the rest looks beautiful. This is a sticker from Simply Gilded, so I just love the way it looks. And again, I did not laminate this because I just found that it stays just the same. It's too much of a pain for me to laminate it. My laminator kills everything I put through it, so I try to avoid it at this point. And then I have one of the vellums from the kit, and this one here I put the word dream. These little stickers, clear stickers, came in the box. And then I had this little butterfly. Now I am not super pleased with the butterfly. I actually tried to remove it. I almost ripped the the vellum apart, so I just left it there. But I mean, I kind of like how it matches, kind of ties in that color, but I don't know if it matches the my aesthetic here perfectly. And then here is the glitter edges of the month. I wanted to tone on tone, kind of matchy there. And then here is the second insert, which is just for lined paper. And again, I brought in the black here, so the black glitter edges from the Planner Society. Same concept. I had to use a white bow because I ran out of the burlap ones from Hobby Lobby, but everything is the same. I just love this. I think this is a super cute outfit. You know, it's so cozy, it's so perfect for fall. I just love it. And I love this paper. I can tell you, this is such a beautiful paper. I was actually tempted to just do something, you know, with this paper alone, but then when I found this planner, I just thought that, you know, the other patterns matched, you know, so beautifully that the leopard print one, that I had to use that one. And this is just the back, which is another little sticker pocket from an older kit from the Planner Society. More washi, little sticker from the Planner Society. This is the adorable paper clip that comes in the box. And again, just you get it's just a little you know, die cut with the little word. And this is, I didn't put anything here. And then the back of the washi dashboard with the little sticker from the Planner Society. And then here I just wanted to add something in the back, and I think this is super pretty. I love this die cut. I love the little acorn, and just the colors is super sweet. And so I put the Planner Addict. And just to tell you, the 3D dots actually work really nicely on the burlap. It attaches really securely. And here is another similar setup. So again, the journaling card. This time I had to use the darker eyelets because I ran out of the lighter ones. But same thing, this is the actually acetate, and then the wood grain paper with the eyelets and the sticker from Planner Society. And here is section number 3, and this will be for my meal planner. And this is an older, this came a couple of months ago in a box from the Planner Society. I thought that the color match is not super, you know, it's not gold, it's not silver, it's kind of in between. So I thought that it would be good. And then I normally I prefer to use the thinner glitter edges here, but I only had the size left, so I used that. And then thanks, because we're going into Thanksgiving. And the sticker is also from the same Target, you know, kit. And then this again is last, so I replicated. So as you see, because I love this paper so much, I wanted to bring it in the front and in the back. And this is my favorite journaling card. I love this little shop. Makes me feel like I'm out shopping for decorating my house, and it's super cute. And same thing with the layering, with the paper and the little burlap bow. But I think this is adorable. I wish I was in there, right? It doesn't make you feel like you want to go out shopping for some cute stuff. And this is the meal planner that I love to use. It's also from Annieplansprintables, and it's very useful because, you know, you could just create a little grocery list and then what you're going to be using it for, because I always end up buying groceries and then I forget what I was going to do. And then here's the back, and this is a little house, little sticky note from the Planner Society. And then here I just have the back of the, you know, the acetate, and there's a little bit there. It's one of those little stickers that came in the kit, and then with a little sentiment, and then the word gather, again for Thanksgiving, which is also from the Target dollar spot. And then here just some of the little vellum stickers that came in the kit, and a little paper clip from Peony's Papery. And this is it, guys. So this was a very quick setup. It's super easy, super fast. I hope you can replicate it if you still have this planner. But if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me on Instagram at PLANNINGFANCY, as I answer all DMs. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week.